Be open to taking risks. When you are young is when you have the freedom to take those risks. My name is Lincoln Mitchell. I'm a lecturer in the School of International and Public Affairs at Columbia University. I have a pretty broad and perhaps eclectic even collection of research interests. The first is American foreign policy, particularly with regards, but not really only with the former Soviet Union, but American foreign policy. The second is the crisis of American democracy, which is something I've been writing a lot about really since 2015. The third is baseball and social history, and the fourth is the politics and history of San Francisco. I gave a kind of bigger picture discussion of what I see as the real origins of the current crisis of American democracy, and trying to put the kind of MAGA, the ascendant MAGA fascism in the context of tensions within the American polity that go back really to the Constitutional Convention. And then I have the part two of that conversation was kind of to create a taxonomy of the MAGA movement and indeed the Trump regime, and to try to break down. We use words which are not inaccurate, but they don't always shed as much light as we might like as a fascist or authoritarian, but to really get into what that was like. It was interesting giving this talk. I've given similar talks to American audience. Now I say American audiences at Columbia, it's not all Americans, it's about 50% Americans. And I've done a lot of media where I've raised some of these issues, but to speak to a group of French students was a lot of fun. I mean, first, the extent to which young people in France or elsewhere in Europe, I assume, just now recognize this as normal, to me is really striking, because certainly middle-aged and older Americans really struggle to recognize just how deep the crisis is. The denial in the United States is very strong. Be open to taking risks. When you are young is when you have the freedom to take those risks. Second thing I would say, and this is maybe not what you want to hear from your international affairs professor, is that life-work balance begins at a young age. If you think, oh, I'll slow down when I'm 30 or 35, you're not going to slow down. The other thing I would say about, particularly when you're looking for work, and when you go into the job market, look broadly, because all it takes is one good job, one good opportunity. The last thing is networking is extremely important. The time to network is not when you're looking for a job. It's before. Start your networking the day you start. What networking is about is building relationships. So that's kind of my best advice, and what I recognize is an extremely tough moment to be looking for work.